I've carried dust for years under a smiling face, hidden in the hallway of my own empty grace. My hands were always working, but my heart was running dry. I came here barely standing, with the tide in my eyes, and you stepped into the silence like rain on thirsty ground. You touched the shut-up places and turned my whole world around. Rivers of restoration wash over me. Rivers of restoration set my soul free. I was worn, I was faded, now I can breathe. Rivers of restoration come rushing in me. Come rushing in me. Oh, you found the heavy shadows I kept behind my smile, the long road of pretending, the miles after miles. But mercy met my weakness, right where the burden broke, and all the brittle pieces began to learn hope. Then you stepped into the silence like rain on thirsty ground. You touched the shut-up places and turned my whole world around. Rivers of restoration wash over me. Rivers of restoration set my soul free. I was worn, I was faded, now I can breathe. Rivers of restoration come rushing in me. Oh, come rushing in me. Breathe on the tired bones. Breathe on the worn out parts. Mend what was split in me. Write your peace on my heart. I lay down every burden at the edge of your love, and I rise like morning water when the heavens open up. Rivers of restoration wash over me. Rivers of restoration set my soul free. I was worn, I was faded, now I can breathe. Rivers of restoration come rushing in me. Come rushing in me. Come rushing in me. Rivers of restoration.